Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up and print food labels in your back office. Food labels are used for prepared food items that need labels showing information such as the item name, ingredients, quantity, and expiration date. Before printing food labels, we first need to confirm the label printer is set up. Start by going to the three lines at the bottom left corner, go to the settings and head over to label settings. Over here, make sure the correct label printer is selected and configured for your store. This printer setup is important because the food label screen uses the printer and label type connected to your setup. Once the label printer is configured, the system may automatically select the correct printer and label type when you go to print food labels. If the printer or label type does not appear, that usually means the printer setup needs to be checked first. After confirming the setup, go to the food labels section. You can search food labels in the Smart Search. In the food label screen, you can select the food items you want to print a label for. Once the item is selected, enter the number of labels you want to print. For example, if you prepared 5 of the same items, enter 5 as the quantity. Next, enter the expiration date or the number of days before the item expires. For food items, this depends on your store's policy. For example, you may enter 2 or 3 days depending on how long the item should remain available. Now confirm the selected label printer, label type, quantity, and expiration date. Once everything looks good, click Print. The system will print the food label using the selected label format. Once printed, place the label on the prepared food items. One thing to keep in mind, the items shown in the food label sections are based on the items that have ingredients entered in their item details. To check this, go to the Pricebook, go to your products, open an item and click Edit. Then go to the Advanced tab. In the Advanced details, the item should have ingredients entered in the item ingredients field. If an item does not appear in the food label screen, make sure the ingredients have been added in the item's advanced details first. Once the ingredients are added and saved, that item can be used for food label printing. And that's it. You have successfully set up and printed a food label in your back office. Thank you so much for watching.